ClickGuard has directly improved our return on ad spend. We're just getting much better value for our money. Hi there, my name's Adam and I'm the founder of Compost Guy. We're a UK-based business and we're all about making composting really simple and accessible for everyone. To be honest, I wasn't really aware of click forward as a concept. I knew we were spending a fair bit of money on our Google ads and it felt like the budget was just vanishing really quickly, often early in the day. We'd see the clicks coming in, but the quality of the website visits we were getting just didn't seem to match the spend. It was really frustrating. You feel like you're just throwing money down the drain and you can't put your finger really on why. Finding ClickGuard was a bit of a light bulb moment. The best thing about it is it just works. We got it set up and almost immediately it started filtering out all the rubbish traffic. The dashboard is brilliant, it's not complicated, it's just really clear. You can actually see the dodgy clicks it's blocking in real time. It gives you real peace of mind knowing that it just quietly is doing its job in the background, protecting the budget. The difference was noticeable pretty much straight away. Our ad budget started lasting much longer throughout the day and the wasted spend was just going down. But the most important bit for us was the quality of leads we got through the website. It's definitely gone up. We're not wading through much noise, we're just talking to real potential customers, and for a business of our size, making every pound count is crucial, and ClickGuard has directly improved our return on ad spend. We're just getting much better value for our money. If you're another business owner spending any sort of money on pay-per-click ads, on Google, I'd describe ClickGuard as absolutely essential. Honestly, it's like having a security guard for your ad budget. I would absolutely recommend it. Genuinely, it's straightforward, it's effective, it saves you money. Simple as that. It's been a fantastic tool for us.